Hello, YouTube world. Just a quick thought while this is on my noggin. I'm definitely pretty sure that most of everybody's seen the Halo Infinite trailer, so here are my thoughts. What if, now cross your fingers, what if we get to battle the Banish? Okay? You know, the Banish from Halo Wars 2? That actual good game? I mean, granted, I think all Halo games are good except for number. Well, anywho, I'm crossing my fingers that we get to battle the Banish in first-person shooter. Okay, and I am leaning towards more. I want to see less of Forerunners, like those knights and crawlers and flyers or whatever, and the soldiers. I want to see less of that. I want to see more of aliens and not cybernetic human species of ancient beings. So anywho, those are my thoughts. Let me know down in the comments below what y'all think is going to happen, or what you already know, or probably 100% know what's going to happen. So anywho, hope y'all have a good day, and bye bye.